Hello everyone. Today, we will introduce how to use MicroPython on ESP32 to detect button presses using interrupts. In the previous video, we introduced how to set up an OLED display on ESP32 using MicroPython. In this video, we will discuss the interrupt mechanism in MicroPython. Via interrupts, we can enable the device to respond to changes in input signals in real time. It is highly suitable for event-driven design. For example, button detection or sensor triggering. Interrupts are a special signal processing mechanism. It can interrupt the normal execution of code when a hardware event occurs. MicroPython provides us with a simple interface. Through it, we can easily set up interrupt events for GPIO pins. For example, detecting rising edges, falling edges, or level changes. We use the ESP30 to C3 development board. You can see that there are two buttons on the board. One is OST, and the other is BUTO. We can use BUTO as an interrupt detection pin. Next, let's take a look at the actual code. First, import the pin module. Then, configure a GPIO pin as an input, and enable the internal pull-up resistor. Also, define an interrupt handling function. Finally, set the interrupt trigger conditions and bind the handling function. This way, when the button is pressed, triggered by a falling edge of the signal, the handle interrupt function will be called. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe our channel.